My name is Sami and I'm in a very bad situation. My car broke down and I don't know what to do. I have an idea. I can call Mr. Hero. Let me call him. Boop, boop, boop.
Hello?
Hello, Hero. I need your help. My car broke down and I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't know what to do. Can you help me?
I can help you. I have a charger to charge this car. I have a charger. I'm getting a charger. I'm coming right now with a charger. I'm Mr. Hero. Bye. Mr. Hero's coming.
Where's Mr. Hero? We're here.
Don't worry, I'm here with this charger, so let me help you. Okay, let me try this. This is a tight thing.
Hero, I was stuck here for so long. Thank you for coming.
Don't worry, I'm here to charge your car.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Okay, come on, let's tie it. One knot. And two. Is that good?
Yes,
Okay, now let's tie it. Hero, can you help me?
yes.
Oh! Let's tie it one more time. Are you going to save the day?
Which sound I hear?
Hero, how much money are you going to charge me?
I help people see too. I not charge anything, but I'm Mr. Hero. Let's go.
Yay!
I'm bringing the car to charge.
Oh no! Hero, my door!
I hear I must charge your car.
Hero, you broke my car.
What I did? Let's fix your car. Let me bring the soaps.
Thank you so much, Hero, for fixing my car.
Welcome. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't follow and subscribe to my video. If you need help, call me. Bye now.